Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy Bitcoin on PayPal step by step. If you're new to cryptocurrency and want an easy way to purchase Bitcoin, PayPal provides a simple and beginner-friendly option. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up your account, add funds, buy Bitcoin, and manage your crypto holdings directly within PayPal. So let's jump right in. Step 1. You need to open the PayPal application or website. To begin, open the PayPal application on your smartphone or visit the PayPal website on your computer. Sign in to your PayPal account using your email address and password. If you have two factor authentication enabled, complete the security verification process before continuing. Once logged in, you will arrive at your PayPal dashboard. Step 2. Verify that crypto is available in your country. So basically, you need to verify that crypto is available in your country because in some other countries, this option or feature is not yet enabled. Before purchasing Bitcoin, make sure cryptocurrency services are available in your region. Because in my region, it's not yet available. So inside your PayPal account, look for a section labeled as crypto, cryptocurrency, finances, Bitcoin. If you can access the section, your account supports cryptocurrency purchases. If you don't see any crypto options, the feature may not currently available in your country or account. Now, step 3, complete the identity verification. If you're buying cryptocurrency for the first time, PayPal may require identity verification. You may be asked to provide your full legal name, date of birth, home address, government issued identification, phone number verification. So you have to follow the prompts and complete any requested verification steps. This process helps comply with financial regulations and keeps your account secure. Now, step 4, add a payment method. Before buying Bitcoin, make sure you have a funding source connected to your PayPal account. You can usually use a linked bank account, a debit card, PayPal balance, so other eligible funding methods available in your country. Now, to add a payment method, basically you have to go to your wallet, select link a bank or card, follow the instruction provided, follow the instructions, and after that, confirm the payment method if required. Once your funding source is ready, you are prepared to purchase Bitcoin. After that, step 5, you have to navigate to the crypto section. Return to PayPal home screen, tap or click on the crypto section. Here you will see available cryptocurrencies, which may include, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, other supported assets. So what you're going to do here is you have to select Bitcoin to continue. Step 6, you have to review Bitcoin information. So before buying, take a moment to review the Bitcoin information page. You will typically see current Bitcoin price, market charts, price changes, educational information about Bitcoin. So, understanding market prices before making a purchase can help you make more informed decision. When you're ready, you have to tap on or select buy. 7, you have to choose your purchase amount. PayPal will ask how much Bitcoin you'd like to buy. You can either enter a custom amount, select one of the suggested amounts displayed on the screen. So, for example, you might see options such as $20, $50, $100, $500. You do not need to buy a full Bitcoin. Bitcoin can be purchased in small fractions, allowing beginners to start with whatever amount they're comfortable investing. Now, step 8, you need to select your payment method. So basically, what you're going to do next is choose the payment method you want to use. PayPal will display your eligible funding sources, so you have to review available balance, link bank accounts, debit cards. So what you're going to do is you have to select payment method you'd like to use for the purchase. Step 9, review fees and transaction details. So before completing the purchase, PayPal will show a summary screen. So you have to review the value like amount of Bitcoin being purchased, current Bitcoin price, transaction fees, total amount charged, select payment method, and take time to carefully read all details before moving forward. So, understanding fees is important because they affect the final amount of Bitcoin you receive. Step 10, you need to confirm the purchase. So PayPal may ask verification such as Face ID, fingerprint authentication, security code, password confirmation, complete the verification process. After that, step 11, you have to view your Bitcoin holdings. So here you will see your Bitcoin balance, current value, perform or market performance, transaction history. Now, step 12, you need to monitor your investment. And basically, that's it. So, as a conclusion, that's how to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. Very easy. And as you can see, the process is simple. Sign into PayPal, access the crypto section, choose Bitcoin, enter your purchase amount, review the fees, and confirm the transaction. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.